Dylan has a great new property in Park City.
Yes, it's in Quarry Springs, just 20 minutes from the airport.
This is such an ideal location, right across from Jeremy Ranch. This development is practically brand new. Can't wait to hear about it, Dylan.
Yeah, you're on the same exit as Woodward, and you're right by the Kimball Junction area. Yeah, this property is actually specifically right across the street from the amenities, so great location.
Beautiful finish work. I just love the light features throughout, but it also has a really cool touch of modern vibe. The furnishings are beautiful. The kitchen is open and spacious.
Yeah, the sellers did a great job with this property. They're actually wanting to include the furniture that they worked hard on getting everything set up in. So that's gonna make it easy for a buyer to come in and have something that's move-in ready.
Fabulous balcony off that primary suite, and each of these bathrooms look like they have just been upgraded. All the features you would expect in a property like this.
Yeah,
Love
so
it.
you're looking at a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath here, right around 2,400 square feet. Each bedroom has its own bathroom, so you're actually set up for your guests and everything to come in and stay comfortably.
And nightly rentals are allowed?
Yes, nightly rentals are allowed. It is a 4-day minimum as far as a nightly rental, but you still have a lot of the clients here that are going to be doing nightly rental scenes.
What a fabulous property, Dylan. Hot tub and all.
And like I said at the beginning, you're 20 minutes from the airport, 10 minutes from slopes, so the ideal location is right here. Call me if you have any questions at all.